Hi, we're here today at eimports4Less filming a short video about a vehicle that came into us today. This is one that's not quite on the website yet, but it will be within a day or two. This is a 2015, it's a BMW 228i. It's an xDrive, so it's an all-wheel drive model. This is a sport package vehicle, red with a black interior. Let's take a quick walk around this one. It's got a little bit over 40,000 miles on this car. You can see it's got nice equipment on this one. The Sport Line trim is really nice. Nice sport wheels on it. It does have xenon headlamps, navigation, backup camera, front and rear park distance control, comfort access, heated seats, heated steering wheel, moonroof. A lot of really great options. Very well equipped for a 228. And like I said, it is an xDrive, all-wheel drive model. Red car, black interior. Does have sport seats, sport steering wheel with the paddle shifters. Really nice equipment. It's a one-owner car, of course, clean history, all of that stuff. You can see all those details on our website, including the Carfax report. But you can see all the details, the full build sheet, warranty dates, all of that stuff at eimports.com. Or give a call here to the dealership and talk to somebody who can help you own this one at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.